Namaste, children. Children, exercise 14th A, fourth one, fifth one, I have to finish. So now I will go for fifth one question. Sorry, sixth one. Okay. So remember the formulas. The cost of the painting. So cost of the painting or tiling equals to area into cost per square unit. Then number of bricks or number of tiles we have to find out area of the wall or area of the bricks. So that is the formula. Okay, using those formulas, so we can find out the cost of the painting and number of bricks. So how many bricks has to be required. So now this is the question. It is a sixth one question. Find the cost of the painting. So cost of the painting means we can find out the area first. Then cost of the each cost at the rate of what is the cost per each square centimeter first, then find it. Painting a square board already given. Square board means all sides are equal, so one side has to be given. Okay, it is a square board of side 44 centimeter at the rate of 7 rupees per square centimeter at the rate of. So now, so each it is a square board, so the each side is 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter. Okay, fine. So using this, find out the area first now. Okay, length is what given, 44 centimeter. Now, so now area of the square board, so length is given, so at the rate of, so another one is at the rate of 7 rupees square centimeter per square centimeter. 7 rupees square centimeter, 7 rupees per square centimeter. So area is rated area. So what is the square area of the square? So s into s, or s into s, side into side. The side is what given, 44 centimeter. Then we should write it 44 centimeter into 44 centimeter, multiply. So what is your answer? 44 into 44, 4 for the 16, 1 carry, 4 for the 16 plus 176 plus 671. Same, the number is value. Same. 6, 6 plus 7 plus 6, 13. 1 carry, 9, 1. 1936. 1936 square centimeter. This is the area of the square board. This is the area of the square board. Next, what we do? Find out the cost of the square board. Cost of the painting. Okay, cost of the painting equals to area into, what is it, area into area into cost of cost per square unit. Okay, so now area is what, 1936 into, what is it, rate, 7 rupees, multiply. So here square unit has to be cancelled. Now it is right in the only for value. Okay, 1936 into 7. 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 3 21, 21 plus 4, 25, 2 carry, 7 9 the 63, 63 plus 2, 65, 6 carry, 7 the 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13,552. That is the cost of the painting. This is the answer for sixth one question. So, okay, I will go for seventh one. Okay, so this is a very easy concept. You have to write 1 or 2 times. You have to practice it in the home. Okay, it is very easy, but you can understand. Okay, then, so this is the sixth one. Now I will go for seventh one question. Now it is seventh one question. Okay, so now look at the board. Determine the number of squares. Number of squares. So squares means number of squares, number of bricks, number of tiles. So this is so we can using the formula. They have two wall and then brick. So this is two ways are there. So we can give to two. Okay, now game board and okay now the number of squares on square game board of side is 8 centimeter square game board. So if each of the square is 1 centimeter, if the each of the square is 1 centimeter, okay, so how many squares are there? So now we can using that. So this is a square board. This is a square board. So now, so how many squares are there? So one square has to be given this type of squares, this type of. So this game board length is the side is 8 centimeter. Ella kade 8 centimeter. All sides are equal. 8 centimeter. Then, so how many squares has to be filled in this game board? So one square centimeter. So here one small square is there. So here each 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. So this is a square, this is a square game board. So we have to fill some of the squares in the game board. So how many squares has to be required in this game board? So that is a question. Okay, so now we can find out the first square board, first area of the square board, square game board, then area of the square, then it can be divided how many squares has to be required. Okay, this is the answer. So now first uh, uh, given. Okay, first what you write, first game board, square game board, then square, then it is a square. Okay, so what is a square game board? Side. So what is the side? 8 centimeter. So here side 1 centimeter. Is it right? 1 centimeter. Now find out the area of the square area of the square game board equals to game board. What is the area of the square? S into S. Side into side. Must and should have to write the formulas. Okay, so have give the marks more than for the formulas. Side is 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. So 8 at the 64 square centimeter. Square centimeter. So now I will go for the this one question. Area of the square. Area of the square equals to side into side. Side into side. Side means what? 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. One the 1 square centimeter. 1 square centimeter. So we have to find out the area of the game board and area of the square. Both the values we have to find out. Guruji, square gelkutar length, so is there. Square length is there. So next, what is the game board of the length side of the game board? Game board of the side is 8 centimeter already given. So now using these given required question, required answer, required points. So using the find out the answer. So now what we do? Then divided both the numbers. Then divide these numbers. So these values. Okay. Number of squares. Number of squares equals to number of squares equals to what is that? Area of the square game board. Square game board. Then divided by divide. So it is the divided by symbol, divided by area of the square. Area of the square. So now, so here 64 by 1. 64 by 1. So what is the value? 164, the 64. So answer is 64. 164, the 64. Totally 64 squares has to be required. Okay. To total 64, the number 60 number of squares required 64. Okay. This is the answer. So units has to be cancelled. Square centimeter has to be cancelled. So we can divide it 61, 64, the 64. This is the concept. Okay. You have to must should practice it 1 or 2 times. Okay. Then I will go for last one question. Okay. That is the eighth one question. Okay. It is very easy. So now you can practice the seventh one question. Now I will go for eighth one. Okay. Now it is eighth one question. Okay. Look at the board. First, we have to read the question and then understand. Okay, first, how many bricks? Bricks number of. So we have listened these words. So number of how many slabs? Cement slabs. That is the same question. Next, determine the number of squares. That is the same question. How many bricks? This is the third one. This is the same question. So same pattern you have to follow. Okay. Then here we have to find out the two areas. Okay. So then how many bricks, how many bricks are required to build a wall a height of, so a build a height of 2.88 meter and width is 50 centimeter. Okay. So ಒಂದು ವಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that is height ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, height ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ. So that is 2.88 centimeter. Okay, width is 50 centimeter there. Then so the height of the wall, so that is height of the wall means 2.88 meter. So height of, so what is the shape of this wall? So this wall is shaped in rectangle shape, so it has to be reversed. So this is the height of, we can consider for length. Okay, this is the 50 centimeter. So this is asking how many bricks are required to build a wall of height, wall of ಒಂದು ಹೈಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಅದು 2.88 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ, 50 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಗಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಚ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್, ಇಫ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಚ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ 12 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. So, okay, the brick, this is a brick. So length ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 12 centimeter. This is a brick. This is the wall. This is a wall. Okay, brick. So breadth ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 10 centimeter. Okay, then so we can find out area of the wall and area of the brick. Okay, then we can find out the answer get easily. Okay, first wall. Okay, so wall, then brick. Brick. So okay, so first we can find out length. Length of the wall. What is the length of, length means height. Height of the wall is what? 2.88 meter. Then breadth is 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. So 50 centimeter. Okay, now so here first you can consider all the units are same. No, here meter, here centimeter. So what we do, multiply 2.88 meter, multiply 100, we get the centimeter. So okay, 2.88 into multiply 100, so we get 288 centimeter. 288 centimeter. So we should find L equals to 288 centimeter. So breadth is there, length is there. So find the area of the wall. Area of the wall. Wall equal to L into B. L into B. So area of the wall L is what? 288 into 88 into 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. Then find, multiply the 288 multiply 50. 0, 5 8 the 40, 4 carry, 5 8 the 40 plus 4, 44, 4 carry, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 1440, 14,440 square centimeter. This is the area of the wall. Next, we can go for the area of the brick. So now, brick length, what is? Length is what given? 10, length is 12 centimeter. Breadth is 10 centimeter. Then we can find out the area of the brick. Area of the brick. 12 centimeter. Breadth is 10 centimeter. So it is getting 120 square centimeter. Square centimeter. 120 square centimeter. So now this is the answer. Okay. Okay, sorry. So I have written, sorry, 14,000. Sorry. Sorry for that. 14,400. Okay, this is the answer. So now we can find out the answer. Area. So find number of bricks equals to 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 area of the wall, area of the wall divided by area of the brick. Formula. Then equals to area of the wall is what? 14,440 divided by square centimeter. Okay, so 120 square centimeter area of the brick. Okay, so unit has to be cancelled. So now we can divide it. Okay, now it can be divided. Okay, sorry for that. So 120, then 14,440. 400. Okay, so um, then 12 on the 12, 120 on the 120, then 44, 24, 224, 0, 240, 22, 12 to 122 the 240, 0, then 120 the 0. So you have to get 120 bricks. 120 bricks. So this is the answer. So if you watch, so this is the answer. So it is a division. It is the division. So now it is a multiplication problem. So you have to take perfect answer. So this is the answer. This is the way you have to practice it and answer the following questions. Okay, students, dhanyavad. Okay, now exercise 14a I have to finish. Okay, you have to, I will go for volume concept. Dhanyavad. Thank you so much.